I'm going to wake Bratty Kid's emo tween sister up with an air horn. Ha 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 ha. Now Bratty Kid's emo tween sister is sleeping. I'm going to wake in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yawn. Bratty Kid, wake me up with an air horn.
Bratty Kid's emo tween sister. What's happened?
Bratty Kid, wake me up with an air horn.
Oh 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 oh. Bratty Kid. How dare you wake Bratty Kid's emo tween sister up with an air horn? That's it. You are grounded for 76 weeks. Go to your room right now. Don't worry, Bratty Kid's emo tween sister. Your little mean brother gone for his room and never do this again.